video. Ano to? Baguio's Best Taco. And pero kalahati lang, masyado marami tinapay. And barbecue. Barbecue.
Actually, na-init na po ito.
That was just the beginning. What started with the lip tints soon evolved into a full line of products, including soaps, perfumes, creams, lotion, toners. It became a fat
Hindi naman ako, hindi naman basta-basta yung decision ng magulang ko na binigay nila to sa akin. I proved them na may papatunayan ako na hindi lang na nabutong kumpanya na dahil sa kanila, andito ako para tulungan sila at gabayan sila sa mga magagandang plano ng kumpanya. Kaya as a new CEO, maraming salamat.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, round of applause for this.
Hi, it's Brazil of Florida. Hi, Brazil. Hi again. Getting good at dancing. How was your practice? A lot of days. Okay. Can I ask you first, what's your Christmas wish?
May flash pala.
Comedy. Okay. Ikaw naman, anong Christmas wish mo?
Ako po, meron ako
lumakas sa music. Hindi natin maririnig. Tsaka may music, sayang yun.
Anong project ang gusto mo makasama ka bukod sa Showtime? Anong series? Anong series gusto mong makasali ka? Batang Quiapo, sa series ni James Lee, Batang Quiapo. Okay. Ikaw, may Christmas wish ka ba? Anong gusto mong matanggap na regalo?
Wish ko po, ano po, sana po, lahat po ng pamilya ko, kapag wala po ng mga tao, sana po wag po magkasakit po. Tsaka ako po, sana po malagi po ako.
Anong gusto mong regalo matanggap?
Kahit ano po,
Ikaw, may regalo ka bang gusto matanggap?
kahit ano po, basta kahit po sa invite po, ano, basta happy na po ako doon.
Okay, kaya may tanong pa kayo. Ito naman si ano yung pinapunta mo?
Hangin nga, di ba? Hindi rin natin.
Kids.
To actually help with other kids for Purple Hearts Foundations, Purple Hearts Productions, Crizel Land, Love Crizel and Siblings Corporation, and I want those type of companies to get bigger and bigger.
Okay. Oh, you're going to have a vlog?
Yes.
Can you tell us about your vlog?
So I'm for my new channel named Love Crizel's World. It's all about doing amazing adventures and also unboxing popular toys, and that's all that I can do.
I love that. Are they going to be part? Are you going to invite your friends to be part of Showtime Kids?
Yes, of
Yes.
course.
Are you going to be part of the vlog of Love Crizel?
Yeah.
Yes. You have your own vlog? No. Wala. You wanna
Yeah, but-
unbox toys?
Madami na din po ang toys eh.
Marami
Marami.
toys.
Wow.
Crizel, are they your friends already? What kind of relationship do you have with them? Are they nice?
Of course they're nice. They're kids.
Do you have a wish list of people you want to perform with? Stars like maybe Beanie, Sarah Geronimo?
Okay, so especially this is for baby. Especially I want to perform with you as for my bias makeup. I love your new hairs, and also I'm hoping that your group keeps on getting bigger and bigger. I'm hoping that.
Alright. Oh, you're looking forward to that. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you for ano naman, of course.
Thank you.
Ginawa, ito yung binigay nila position sa akin, sana worth it na binigay sa akin
Okay.
position na to.
Gina-guide ka rin ba yung of course, mukhang talagang business sa atin.
Oo naman, kahit retirement,
Stephen. One more, pa one more.
Okay lang yan.
Okay lang, one more. One more, please.
One more.
Thank you. Thank you.